Hello, welcome to College Mathematics Made Simple. This video explains how to solve the absolute value equations. Now, an absolute value denoted by two bars is just an operator that produces a positive number. If I give it a number 10, it produces 10 as a positive number. If 10 were a negative number, then it produces 10 as well. In simple terms, for any number, regardless of the sign, the output of this function is a positive number. Having said that, given that 2y plus 3 is equal to 5, it implies that the input, which is 2y plus 3, can either be positive or negative. So that is why we are saying 2y plus 3 is equal to 5. Then we can subtract 3 both sides so that 2y is equal to 2, divide throughout by 2 so that y is equal to 1. Or this 2y plus 3 can be a negative, so it can be negative 2y plus 3 is equal to 5. Now we can multiply throughout by negative 1 so that this is positive. 2y plus 3 is equal to negative 5. Now we can subtract 3 both sides so that 2y is equal to negative 8. And dividing throughout by 2, we have y is equal to negative 4. Now the next problem says the absolute value of 3 over y minus 1 is equal to 4. So meaning that 3 over y minus 1 can be positive or it can be negative. Having said that, we can write 3 over y minus 1 is equal to 4, or 3 over y minus 1 is equal to negative 4. So the first one, we can multiply throughout by y minus 1 so that we have 4 into y minus 1 is equal to 3. Then distributing throughout by 4, we have 4y minus 4 is equal to 3. Then we can add 4 both sides to make this 0 so that 4y is equal to 7. Divide throughout by 4, then y is equal to 7 over 4. Now in the second one, we said this is equal to negative 4. So we don't want a fraction here, so we multiply throughout by y minus 1 so that this becomes negative 4 into y minus 1 is equal to 3. Distributing throughout by negative 4, we have negative 4y. Now this is negative 4 multiplied by negative y, it is positive 4, is equal to 3. So we can subtract 4 both sides so that negative 4y is equal to negative 1. We want y, so we divide throughout by 4 in this line by negative 4 so that y is equal to 1 over 4. Therefore, the given equation has two solutions: y is equal to 7 over 4 or y is equal to 1 over 4. Thank you for watching. We end here. Please share, like, and send us a comment where you are watching us from.